Hey everybody, it's John Weisenberger here, and today I wanted to give a shout out, testimonial for the Coaches Console. And for anybody like me that's a business coach or a life coach or anyone that needs a all-in-one solution for all the technologies you need to run a professional consulting or coaching business, the Coaches Console is a great tool for doing that. Now, I've been online for many years and I've pieced together websites in the past with email autoresponders from MailChimp or Aweber. I've used lead pages for landing pages. I've used WordPress for my websites. And I got to tell you, when it comes to having everything you need from one supplier in one place, the Coaches Console is the tool. So I want to show you how I've used it. I'm kind of proud of the way I've got my website and my membership sites for my online training all incorporated into one platform using the Coaches Console. And I thought I'd walk you through that today and give you a little demo of how that all works. So when you look at the Coaches Console, once you're a member and you get in, they have tools like a contact manager that is as good a CRM system as you'll find for the money. I mean, you could use Zoho or you could use any other, Salesforce.com, but for most coaches, this is an adequate CRM. You can see I've got some of my clients in here already. I got 5 and hot leads. You can, collect them by the status of whether they're a prospect or a hot lead or whether they're inactive or active. You can group them into various groups depending on which newsletter they signed up for or which group coaching program they signed up for. It's got a good calendar tool that'll integrate with your Google Calendar, or there's ways to integrate it with Outlook and everything else. From a website perspective, when you go and build out your website for your back office, whether that's landing pages for a course you're offering, or whether it's pages that explain some particular process you're going to take your clients through, you can do that. It's very easy, and there's enough templates and enough baseline web pages that come with your membership in the Coaches Console that you can hit the ground running with everything you need just to get started. There's places to store forms, places to store documents. You can open up sidebar boxes to offer up lead magnets, things like that, and themes that you can use for your backgrounds and your headers. I'll show you mine in a minute. From a communications tool perspective, there's autoresponders and emails and ways to automatically publish newsletters with templates, all the things you would get with a MailChimp or an Aweber type thing. From a billing, when you sign agreements with your coaches, clients, you can then have those agreements lead to a contract. You can draft invoices for coaching programs or for products that you want to sell, like, a training course or something else. And it does have a shopping cart of sorts where once you create a course using the part of the website that allows you to drip a course out in modular fashion, where you might want to have a variety of videos released over time, or you want to have downloadable books and downloadable worksheets and things like that. It's good for building courses, and then you turn those courses into products that they can order through the shopping cart. And then there's all kinds of reporting things around the number of clients you have, the progress those clients might have made through a training program, what products you've sold the most of, things under product reports. Anyway, I'm not going to show you a whole lot. There's a lot of videos on YouTube that can show you what you get with the Coaches Console, but how I choose to use it is I have my website that, let me show you it first. I have my marketing website, you would call it. This is for my chainreactionsmarketing.com website. And you can see here that it's built out in a theme, kind of black and white. I have my videos on it for my endorsement partnership training with group coaching program. A little bit more about my, one-on-one business coaching, got a couple testimonials, blah, blah, blah. But what you have here is purely a marketing website. And for having a membership site and a private client area where you can have recordings of classes you want to teach, or the recordings from group coaching sessions you've done, If you want to have your coaching agreements, you want to have your progress forms, feedback forms, all that is a great back office capability of Coaches Console. So here what I have is a private client area login that takes you to my Coaches Console website. And once one of my clients comes here, they can log in to get access to all the things that they would get as part of a member in the Coaches Console website platform. I guess I should say they would be a member of the Chain Reactions Marketing membership site. But once the client logs in, they have access to all the courses they may have registered for. They have access to any products they've purchased. They have access to the coaching logs, their calendar, my calendar, to any forms like their profile, their goals form, their call strategy, all the great things that you get pre-populated with the Coaches Console. And it's just a great back office. I'm really happy with the way it performs. I've been using it to put some online training products out. It is really good for creating landing pages. I find it as easy to use and as good as WordPress without having to deal with all the plugins and all the learning curve you would have with WordPress. So here's a landing page for my newest course called the Endorsement Partner Formula. And as you can see, it looks like any other website. You can just make a landing page that has all your selling copy on it, all the way down to when you're ready to have someone enroll, you can have them enroll. If they enroll in one of your courses, it'll take them back to your shopping cart that's hosted by the Coaches Console. And again, it's everything you need, one place. They've got phenomenal training videos that they do. They've got weekly coaching sessions that'll help you learn to get the most out of the tool. And I'm just really pleased with the Coaches Console. I think Melinda Cohen and Kate Steinbacher have done a wonderful job putting this tool together. And I thought I'd put out a testimonial here saying if you're looking for an all-in-one solution to manage your coaching practice, the Coaches Console is the software tool for you.